Hi guys, and welcome back to another video where I'm going to paint some of the HeroQuest miniatures. This is going to be the Against the Ogre Horde quest pack. I've got pretty much most of the quest packs apart from the one that's just popped out. And yeah, I have loads of miniatures yet to paint. Probably like loads of you guys. So yeah, this is the one I'm going to do this time. The good old skeleton archer. Just because I don't think I've done any skeletons yet. Lovely sculpted little miniature this. And yeah, can't wait to crack on and, well, show you how I'm going to paint this. So I'm going to start by running through everything I use. First one is obviously this 3D printed miniature holder. And it's got some double-sided tape on there. And as you can see, yeah, it keeps it nicely securely on. But it does come off nice and easy, well, when it's all painted. And talking to paints, yeah, the main paints I use are Speedpaint from Army Painter and good old dipping inks from GreenStuffWorld. And as you can see, the first thing I normally do when I get these kind of paints, paint the lid. So I can see exactly how the colour is going to look, which is pretty awesome. And then we use a brush. I had some recent inquiries about what brushes I use. I use cheap ones, guys. These are from Temu. A pack of about 12 for about £2, which is crazy. And then, yeah, something I've been recently using, good old Fidget popper. These things, wonderful things. Nice and easy to use and very easy to clean at the end. And the reason why I like using these, as you can see, just pop a little couple of drops of the paint you're going to use. It stays nice and wet in there for a while. And the great thing is, you leave it overnight, this thing dries, nothing sticks to the silicone, and the thing just pops out. Well, you'll see that at the end of the video. And the primers I use, yeah, ColourForge. I've been using these guys well over a year now. Previously, I had tried so many different blacks, but couldn't find one that was like, well, matte. Whereas these ones, ColourForge, they do what they say on the tin. They are matte colours, which is awesome. So there we go, that's all we need to sort of start painting. Yeah, let's crack on and get some colour on this dude. So you may have seen in recent videos, I've gone more for the Zenithal sort of highlighting now, rather than sort of full-on slapchop. I still sometimes do a bit of both on the miniatures. But this dude, yeah, he looked good enough just doing Zenithal. So basically primed in black and then holding the white matte spray can about 45-degree angle, spraying it from just sort of one side. So you'll see on this chap, he's got one side is nice and bright, the other side, yeah, it's got the nice dark areas. And this is something I really love now with the miniatures, is just having that real contrast of, especially with faces, one side being lit up nicely, and yeah, the other side definitely much darker. Apologies, I keep taking the thing out of focus here. But yeah, sometimes I get carried away with painting, and I kind of forget that I am actually meant to be videoing it, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. As usual though, the colours that I am using are going to be popping up down below. So with the skeleton, yeah, really nice and easy. There's not too many colours with this chap either. So this is a great thing about doing this kind of speed painting. You really can get your miniatures tabletop ready in no time at all. And in fact, I think this guy probably took about 10-15 minutes. And yeah, I probably could have done it quicker, but obviously I was moving the camera about and this, that and the other. So say the poppet, Fidget poppet, it's so nice to use. Obviously, because the one I've got, yeah, as you can see, it's got loads of little pockets there. So each one will have a different colour. And I say, yeah, you just leave it overnight. The paint dries in there, and then it just pops out. So as always, I love things that are simple and sweet. And yeah, Fidget popper, yeah, it's the way to go these days. I just want to say a big shout out and thank you to all my lovely patrons for helping support this channel, as this is my full sort of time job. And yeah, with your support I can keep making videos, which is awesome. I just want to apologise as well, I haven't done much on my Patreon for a while. Now I am sort of moved into a new studio space with lots more room and I can do a lot more stuff. I am going to be posting once a week just to sort of give updates on, well, what I'm sort of working on that week. And if you want to help support the channel, yeah, by all means become a patron. Or the best way you can help the channel is by sharing my videos. As obviously that gets me a bigger audience and, well, hopefully more views. Anyway, back to the little miniature. As you can see, yeah, it's very simple, this one. But again, Speedpaints are dipping inks. They really do all the work for you, which is just great. Especially when you have a bit of a backlog of miniatures to paint. I bought the HeroQuest sort of, well, I went mad, as you guys know. Yeah, bought the initial one, then bought all the expansion packs, and started painting loads of them. But then obviously stopped to do other sort of projects. And when I looked, about a week ago, well, when I was actually moving stuff in to where I currently am, I kind of noticed, yeah, wow, I've really not painted many of the miniatures at all. So guys, I am going to be trying to get through all of them. But if there's anyone you want to see me paint sort of before others, then yeah, let me know in the comments if you play HeroQuest and there's any miniature or even some of the furniture or whatever it might be you want to see me paint. Yeah, let me know in the comments and, well, I'll get round to that one first. I've also got some of the Zombicide games and yeah, I want to start painting some more of them. So I've got the Black Plague, I've got the Zombicide 2nd edition, and recently what's just turned up is the Army of the Dead. I can't wait to get that one out as I actually loved the film. And yeah, zombies. Absolutely love zombies. Probably love zombies actually more than orcs, if you can believe it. So yeah, I've got those to do. And I've got Lord of the Rings. I've got a few of those packs. So yeah, I want to try out a few different sort of board games. And yeah, see how they go. So yeah, finishing off, as you can see, the skeleton. Yeah, just using a wash over all the bony bits and the metal bits, just to make them a bit more contrasty. And yeah, say this dude, very simple, very quick, but love how he's come out. Obviously, bases, guys, you know I prefer clear bases. I'm still searching for my little Dremel tool that cuts these bases off to put the clear bases on. So for the moment, yeah, I'm still just going to be painting the bases as is. And then when I can, I'm going to cut them off and put them on some lovely clear bases. So that's one more HeroQuest miniature down, just another 99 to go. But as I say, at this rate, it really won't take long at all. I hope you're enjoying the little mini series. As I say, it's just a nice little filler to get these miniatures done, just so I can put them, say, on a tabletop. So as I said, yeah, they just pop off nice and easy, the bases. And yeah, the fidget popper. This is what I mean. Yeah, they just dry it. Good old silicone. Nothing sort of really sticks to it. So the paint just pops off. And yeah, literally hardly any cleaning to be done. Sometimes it gets in the little grooves, so you may want to get like a little bit of warm water on there just to sort of get that out. But yeah, fidget poppers. Who knew, eh? All I need now is to find out if I can get some customised ones and, well, get some orange ones with my ugly mug on. That'd be cool. Anyway, so here's the miniature in all his glory. And for a simple 10-minute paint job, yeah, I'm really pleased with this guy. So, guys, I know obviously you can spend hours and hours painting something, and that's awesome. But for me, most of the miniatures I paint, obviously, are going to be played in a game. So, yeah, I am looking to get them, yeah, tabletop ready to a standard that I'm definitely very happy with. And in the past, going back a few years, yeah, I wouldn't have even dreamed that I could paint them like this, let alone painting them like this so quick. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave comments where possible. Let me know if there's any other miniatures you want me to paint or any sort of board games you think I should be taking a look at. As yeah, I definitely want to try out, well, as many different types as I can. Okay guys, you'll take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.